One morning, my dog just refused his kibble. I tried everything, broth, heating it up, even mixing in bits of chicken. Nothing worked. He'd sniff the bowl, give me the most dramatic side eye, and walk off like I just offered him cardboard. So I started looking into raw dog food, and Maev was the big name that kept popping up. In this video, I want to walk you through what the ordering process is like, how my dog reacted, spoiler, there was a lot of tail wagging, and whether or not it's actually worth the price. Let's get into it. All right, so a little backstory here, because Maev didn't just pop out of nowhere. The founder, Katie Spies, actually started it because her own dog, George, was having some really scary seizures. When she switched him to a raw diet, the seizures stopped. But it made her realize how few options there were for truly clean, high-quality dog food she could trust. So she created Maev, unprocessed, made from real ingredients, and something she'd be confident putting in her own dog's bowl. At first glance, Maev looks like a premium raw dog food brand. Clean branding, neat packaging, the works. But once I dug into what they actually offer, it was clear there's more going on than just presentation. They have two main recipes, beef and chicken, both raw, human grade, and built to support digestion, joint health, skin and coat, anxiety, dental health, and immunity. The beef formula is aimed at adult dogs and the chicken at puppies, but really either works for either age. Beyond the meals, Maev also has bone broth toppers and vitamin bars that support hydration and add extra nutrition to round out your dog's diet. Now let's talk ingredients, because this is where Maev really shines. Maev's recipes are developed by PhD veterinary nutritionists, starting with USDA-certified meats like beef, beef liver, chicken breast, and chicken liver, plus produce like blueberry, kale, zucchini, and green beans. You can actually see the chunks in every scoop. It's not ground into a mystery mush. On top of that, they add functional extras like probiotics, turmeric, and omega-3s. So you're getting benefits for your dog's stomach and joints without having to buy separate supplements. And everything is flash frozen at negative 14 degrees Fahrenheit to lock in nutrients and moisture for better absorption, and no need for preservatives. It's one of the few dog foods out there that doesn't rely on synthetic vitamins or high heat cooking. Maev's meals come as these little frozen bite-sized nuggets, so you can scoop them straight from the bag into the bowl. No thawing, no greasy pouches, no slicing or defrosting like some other fresh or raw foods. Honestly, it's even easier than kibble. But the real test, my boy Max. Before Maev, he'd just pick at his kibble and wander off. With Maev, it was like steak night. Went straight in and cleaned the bowl. Within 2 weeks, I started seeing changes. More energy, regular bathroom visits, less gas, and a shinier coat. Even his breath improved. It felt like more than just feeding him. It felt like he was genuinely feeling better. And if you're thinking about trying Maev yourself, don't forget to check out the link in the description. For most of the products we talk about, we've got special deals that you wouldn't be able to get by going straight to their website. Now for the numbers, because with raw dog food, costs can swing a lot depending on how much you need and how much you order. Maev lets you choose anywhere between 5 and 80 pounds per shipment, and set deliveries anywhere from weekly to every 10 weeks, so it's easy to match your schedule and freezer space. For the smallest orders, beef starts at $67 for a 5-pound starter kit, and chicken starts at $71. They also have a variety pack with both proteins, 10 pounds, for $95. If you're not really sure how much to order, their Build My Dog's Profile tool takes the guesswork out. You just enter your dog's age, weight, and activity level, and it calculates the right portion size for you. When I ran it for Max, a 2-year-old 40-pound dog on the beef plan, it came out to $152 per shipment, or about $5.50 a day. For me, the flexibility and the fact that it's ready to serve straight from the freezer help justify the price. But whether it's worth it for you will depend on your budget and how you feed your dog. When I compared Maev to We Feed Raw, I expected them to be pretty similar. It's just meat in a bag, right? But Maev builds its recipes with extra touches aimed at long-term health, so you're not just feeding your dog raw meat, you're also working in nutrients and supplements that would otherwise have had to come from separate products. It feels like more of a complete plan than a single item on a menu. We Feed Raw takes a more traditional approach. Dense, vacuum seal packages that you have to thaw, portion, and store once opened. It's straightforward, but you end up handling it the way you'd handle raw meat from your fridge. Cutting, measuring, wrapping leftovers every single time. Maev's scoopable nuggets, on the other hand, go straight from freezer to bowl. No extra containers, no plastic wrap, no guessing at portions. It made it easier for me to stick with it day after day. The only area where I didn't feel it was quite as smooth was in customer service. When I needed to update my subscription, it took a couple of days for confirmation. Not a big deal, but worth knowing if you like fast turnaround. If you're looking for pure, back-to-basics raw feeding, We Feed Raw nails that. But if you want built-in health benefits and a system that slots into a busy day, Maev is the simpler option. If you ask me whether I'd recommend Maev, absolutely. It's high quality, it's clean, it's easy to serve. My dog loves it. If you've tried Maev or have another favorite, let me know in the comments. I'm always curious what's working for other dog owners. And if you want to see what Maev could do for your pup, the link in the description will take you straight to their site, where we often have exclusive offers you won't find anywhere else. For me, the payoff was simple: seeing him light up at mealtime again. If Maev can give you that moment, it's worth every scoop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.